Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get better face tracking for your VTuber model. Like this. Instead of the normal face tracking that you get from cameras. Okay, first thing you're going to need, let's go here and let me show you. You are going to need an iPhone 10 or newer. Why? Because we need Waidayo and I explain later. Second, you are going to need to download a VTuber program that uses OSC BMC. In my case, I'm going to be using VSeeFace to show you. And third, you are going to need a avatar that has the blend shapes for the ARKit on the iPhone. That's part of the Waidayo thing. And in fourth, you're just going to need to sync everything up. That's it. Okay, now we go to info. So let me explain this. First, why iPhone 10? Well, Waidayo uses a thing called the ARKit, which is the augmented reality kit that the iPhone uses for Face ID. So that's kind of why. VTuber program with OSC VMC. Okay, Waidayo uses OSC VMC. OSC VMC is Open Sound Control Protocol. And what does it do with the Open Sound Control? It does virtual motion capture. And that's why. Also, there should be links in the description on how to make your own VTuber program using OSC VMC on Unity and Unreal. Why Hanatool? Okay, you need a bunch of blend shapes that are normally not in auto-generated characters, like the one that I have, that I'm using, that was created using Vroid Studio. There is free ways to do it. You don't actually need to use Hanatool, but I mean, Hanatool is a tool to save time. If you want to save money instead of time, you can do it yourself. Just search how to make the ARKit blend shapes on the Blender, probably. And uploading and sync, I mean, that is kind of self-explanatory. So, okay, let's start. Okay, the first thing we do is go to our iPhone and download the app Waidayo. Now that you have the app on your phone, you are going to download VSeeFace on your PC. The link for everything is in the description, of course. You download it, and next thing you're going to do is go to Waidayo, open the menu that only shows when you are vertical, and click General. And in the send motion IP address, you're going to put your IP address. To know your IP address, you just go into your search bar, you do CMD to open a command prompt, and you do ipconfig, which is going to show you your configuration for IP. Then in send the motion IP address, you're going to put whatever comes from the ipconfig IPv4. Whatever says IPv4 inside of send motion IP address. Cool. Okay, now that you've done that, you should be receiving in your computer motion tracking data through the port under send motion IP address. Send motion port 39540 is the default, or you can change it to whatever you want. Remember, some ports don't work because some ports are already being used, so just make sure it works. Anyways, 39540 is the default. Right now I have Waidayo running for 39540 and 39541. So the next thing I'm going to do is check if it works. So I'm going to download OSCDataMonitor. You just go here to code, download the zip, unzip your file, and you're going to have these. OSC Monitor Master. You go inside, you go to current 2017, application for Windows, you open it, and here, you're just going to go down here, 39541, at the port. I'm using right now for my avatar the port 39540, that's why I'm not putting that port over here because it's already in use. And there you go. As you can see, I'm getting a lot a lot of data. So I know it's working. If it's not working, then wait a little bit. I'm gonna tell you what to do whenever it's not working. Okay, now that we know it's connected, next thing we do is upload our VTuber character onto Waidayo. For that, we're going to need a VTuber character with the blend shapes that Hanatool, for example, would make. The blend shape for the ARKit. Cool. And there should be a tutorial on how to do it in the description. Okay, now that you have an avatar with the blend shapes, guessing you watched the tutorial or you already had it, what we're going to do is open this, the OSCDataMonitor client. This is going to let us upload our avatar to Waidayo. And of course, same as the other one, you go there, you download the zip, you unzip it, client, there you go, and then you run it. Yep, execute, takes a little while. Okay, now that we have the client, first thing we're going to do is over here we select our VRM, which is our avatar. In my case, it's going to be on Documents, Vroid, Avatars, and this is the avatar that I have changed in another tutorial with Hanatool. There you go. Here in IP, if it doesn't show automatically when you click this button, then what you have to do is get the IP of your iPhone. To do that, you just do this. Go to your iPhone settings, go to the Wi-Fi, then click in the eye, and you search for the IPv4 again. And now that you have your IPv4, you put your IPv4 right here. In my case, it's 192.168.126, and your pin code, which is in here, avatar pin code. If you want, of course, you check yours in the app. Okay. In my case is 9999. There you go. Then you click this big old button and you wait. Okay, nice. Okay, if you get any errors while uploading like this, I will recommend doing a couple of things. First, double check your info, like check this is right, check this is right. If that is right, then the next thing you may have to do is go to Windows and go to Security, go to your firewall, your active firewall, and deactivate it. Okay, now you have deactivated firewall. It may work. If it doesn't work whenever you deactivate the firewall, then the next thing to do is restart both apps. First, restart the app on your iPhone, just close it and open it again, and then restart the client. I'm going to restart the app in the iPhone right now. Now with all of these, let me see if it works. There you go. App is restart. And now it says OK, and you should see your own avatar in your phone. Nice. Let me do one thing. Let me go ahead and turn on my firewall again. There you go. Turn it on. Ta-da-da. Done so. Okay. Next, we're going to go to VSeeFace. We go to VSeeFace. There you go. You select your avatar. In my case, I'm going to select Tutorial 2. There you go, tutorial version 2.0. And, of course, then you select the OSC VMC protocol receiver. If it's not working or for some reason it has any problem, then the only thing you will see is this. And if it's working, I mean, you get the whole 9 yards. There you go. This is how you do it. Now, have a nice day. If you like it, leave a like. If you really like it, then subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.